Hello everyone, welcome to Blender Beginner Series. In this video, we will be discussing of Blender shortcuts that you must know while you are starting your Blender journey. So let's start with Shift A. Shift A is basically used to add object, mesh, light or camera in your setup. Just press Shift A, a pop-up menu will appear and then select the object you need to add. Shortcut number 2 is G. G is used to grab or move the object. Just select the object, press G and then select the location, select the axis X, Y or Z and then grab it throughout. You can left click to confirm the position. Shortcut number 3 is R. R for rotating objects. Select the object and then press R, select the axis and then rotate it. Shortcut number 4 is S. S is used to scale object. Select the object and then press S and move your mouse upward or downward to scale it bigger or smaller. Shortcut number 5 is Z key. Z key is basically used to pop up the shading menu. Just press Z and then there will be a menu where there will be options of rendered, wide frame, material preview or solid. We will be discussing all these in further videos. Let's just select material preview. Shortcut number 6 is tab key. Tab button is used to switch between object mode and edit mode. Remember, tab is the switch. Shortcut number 7 is the middle mouse button, which is used to orbit the view. I guess we have discussed this in previous video. Likewise, shortcut number 8 is shift plus middle mouse button, which is used to pan view. The basic difference is that when we hold on middle mouse button, then we can view the object from different view. But if we press shift plus middle mouse button, then we can shift the whole scene. Shortcut number 9 is control plus middle mouse button, which is used to zoom smoothly. Just press control and then middle mouse button and then move your mouse upward or downward. This will help you to zoom smoothly. Shortcut number 10 is N button. N is used to toggle right side panel. This shows the object's location, rotation and size information. Shortcut number 11 is T button. T button is used to toggle left toolbar. Shortcut number 12 is Shift D. Shift D is used to duplicate object. Shortcut number 13 is X key. X is used to delete object. Like select the object and then press X. There a pop-up menu will appear. Now you can delete the object. Shortcut number 14 is the 0 key from the numpad. When we press 0, it will show us the frame which will be rendered if we press F12, which is used to while rendering. Likewise, if you change the location of the camera, then the rendered frame would also change. Shortcut number 15 is the most obvious one, that is Control Z, which is used for undo. If you need to redo that, then press Control, Shift and Z. That's all for today. We will be discussing more shortcuts and more videos. Stay tuned, follow for more.